Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? I have a best padlock right here, and this is the access key for it. I do not have a control key. As you can see, the key does work, kind of. I purchased this on eBay a couple months back. I haven't picked it yet, but like I said on my last video, I'm running out of challenge locks, so I'm going to start picking locks for my collection. Well, for this one, we're going to see how many different ways we could get into the best lock. This is the first time that I actually try picking this best lock. I have a best core, but that's a 7-pin. I've been dabbling with that. It's kind of tough. Best locks, I've had a little trouble with trying to find the binding pins on them for some reason, but we'll give it a shot with this. We'll start with SP-pin. I'll be using the DeForest Diamond from Peterson. And we'll see. Also, this is a 6-pin, as you can see from the key. Not too bad. Let's see if we can get in there. We'll be using the Prybar 50,000s. There's 2, pin 3. Pin 1, kind of stuck there. Pin 2, pin 3 again, so I lost it the first time. And that was pin 3, 2, and 1. Just keep popping back up. Keep losing them. We'll try a different tension rod. Alright. There's 2. 1. Ain't feeling nothing. Every time I hit pin 3, pins 1 and 2 keep popping back up. Alright, there's pin 1. 2 is not ready. 3 is not ready. 4 is not ready. 5 is not ready. And neither is 6. Let's try SPP with a standard hook. We'll try that first. Or, sorry, we'll switch over to that. Alright. Pin 2. Pin 1. A little easier to feel with the standard hook. 3, 4. Keeps happening. Alright, 2, got slight rotation. So 1. And it's open. Okay, so we SPP'd it with the standard hook. Whew, I was getting kind of nervous there. Let's see if we can zip it open with this half diamond right here from Peterson. Whoops, dropped it. Peterson. Alright. Zip it open. trying to keep it in camera view for y'all. Let me see here. There we go. All right. Oh. And it's open. Okay. So we SPP'd it and we zipped it open with a half diamond. Let's see if we can use a Bogotov from it's also from Peterson. All right. Let's see here. Just raking the pins. And it's open. Oh. I thought it'd be a little harder. Alright, let's see if we can use the snake rake. With this one, you're just kind of jiggling it in. So we'll start from the top and work our way in. And it's open. Alright. So far we've gone through 4 picks. And let's try the snake rake. Keep losing my tension, and it's opened. Alright, so this is what we did. We SPP'd it, we raked it, we city raked it, we raked it with the Bogotov, raked it with the snake rake, SPP'd the standard hook, and we even used this half diamond and zipped it out. Zipped it all open. What can we try next? We could try, let's see if we could do it with the snowman, or half snowman. I'm not sure how well that will work, but we'll give it a shot. We'll see if we can do it. This snowman is also from Peterson. This one is mainly meant for wafer locks, but you just zip it through the pins or wafers and works pretty much like a snake rake, but for wafers. So we'll see if we can get this with the pins. Looks like I'm not going to be able to do it. Yeah. There's not enough of a separation, I guess. Oh, I guess it worked. There it is. Huh. We just keep adding my picks to it, I guess. Different ways to open it. I got a knife. I don't think that will open it. We got a Euro Bogotov. It's going to do the same thing. Opened. That's insane. Everything's opening it up. Let's see if we could do, what happened when we tried bitch picking? Let's see if we could bitch pick it open. No, yeah, it's opened. Well, I still have some more picks into my case to go through, but I don't think it's going to make a difference. I definitely used the snake. We SPP'd it. We raked it with the Euro and standard Bogotovs. And we zipped it with the half diamond. We used this half snowman and the city rake. All picks from Peterson. Well, I guess that says a lot about Padlock. Let's just try a newer one next time. See how that works out. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, everything. Hope you all have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.